This is what a smooth logo animation looks like, built entirely in Premiere Pro. And today, I'm gonna show you how to create this effect without ever opening After Effects using Smoothify. The native approach technically works, you know? You right-click your keyframes, you drag Bezier handles, you tweak the curves one by one. But after 10 minutes, you've still got something that looks kind of robotic. There's a faster way. First, you're going to need Blinkle.io. It's a command bar extension that gives you Smoothify for free. So if you haven't installed it yet, I'll drop the link in the description. All right, now that it's installed, duplicate your layer once for every letter in your logo. Like for Google, that's 6 letters, so 6 layers. The idea is simple. Each letter needs to move on its own. Grab the mask tool and mask each letter layer by layer. Basically, one letter, one layer, one mask. Now for the animation, we want each letter to start below the frame and come back up to its normal position. So you add position keyframes. The start keyframe, push the letter down below the frame. And the end keyframe, bring it back exactly where it was. Copy those 2 keyframes. Paste them on all 5 other layers. Then place your playhead between the 2 keyframes. This is important, otherwise Smoothify won't detect them. Open Blinkle with Command K or whatever custom hotkey you've set. Type Smoothify and click Use Preset. Choose Elastic Out. Wait, don't apply just yet. We're going to tweak a couple of settings. Click here. Set stiffness to 4 and damping to 0.3. Now click Save Custom as Preset. That way it'll show up in your library on the left and you can use it on all the other layers without having to redo this every time. Now click Apply Keyframes and repeat that process on every single layer. Almost there. Last thing, opacity. Add 2 keyframes. I go from 0 to 100. Then paste that on all your layers. Now offset each layer by like 2 or 3 frames. Hit play. And that's it, a smooth logo animation built in Premiere Pro in under 3 minutes. Install Blinkle for free, links in the description. Smoothify is included so you can get those ultra smooth curves on anything. Subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials.